Step one, take all these throw pillows off of here. All right, so we're gonna flip this over. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Ooh, look at the mess under there. Want me to tip it up?
Yep.
Oh, look, here's that one receipt you were looking for from Walmart.
Funny in that thing.
All right, so it's always good to have the right tools. This is a 13, and hopefully it'll fit on there. We gotta go lefty-loosey. So if I just put it on like this, I can just get it right off of there very simply. There we go. See? Nice and easy. Same thing here. So now this is nice and loose, and we get the last one. So you see I'm coming up, which means I'm turning it this way. So that's lefty-loosey right there. See how that comes right off? Now I can just spin them off with my hands. So you don't want to lose these. So you want to keep a hold of them, you know what I mean? Jelly bean? Oh yeah, I got one more. Here, let me show you. So, luckily, got my trusty tool. And just gotta get it loose. There we go. Now I should be able to just go ahead and twist her off with my hand. There we go. And you want to hang on to these, don't lose them, because you gotta put them back on. So I'm gonna keep them all right here. That way we don't lose any of them. And now this will just pop right off. Slide right off of there. Here, let me show you. So this just has a little Velcro on it. It just comes right off. Of course, it'll stick back on there if you let it slide down. Just like that. Yeah, just like that, bam. You just flip her over. So what you can do, honey, you can just flip it over on its head here, like that. And then just pull it right down. And that one's done. Now you just flip it back over. Yeah, there you go. Now just pull it off. Just like that. See that? Very simple. So this is what this one looks like. You know, it'll balance by itself right there. You can see there's the 4 spots. Now this one over here, I gotta do the same thing. All right, so here goes this one. Look at her. She's strong like bull. All right, when you're putting these together, you're gonna notice left and right. But you're right when you're standing in front of the couch. So if you look at the pattern here, like that, and you look here, you'll see that that's how it's supposed to go. You see where they go? Right through there? So I would pick this up, set it there, and that's your pattern. So that's how you do it. Facing this way, I'm facing the couch, right, left. And we've got 2 of them. Bought these at Ikea for a total price of, I do believe, $300 each. Not bad.